Today we're going to learn our numbers from 0 to 5. We'll read them, we'll write them, and we'll count them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 0. This is the number 0. Can you say 0? Great job. Let's trace it. Start at the top, go around, and back to the top. 0. Now let's count. How many do you see? 0. 0 means none. Number 1. This is the number 1. Say 1. Let's trace it. Start at the top, go straight down. 1. Now let's count. 1 ice cream. Let's count together. 1. Awesome. Number 2. This is the number 2. Say 2. Let's trace it. Across the top, curve around, slide across the bottom. 2. Now let's count. 1, 2. 2 flip-flops. Number 3. This is the number 3. Say 3. Let's trace it. Curve, curve again, 3. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 glasses. Number 4. This is the number 4. Say 4. Let's trace it. Down, across, straight down. 4. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beach balls. Number 5. This is the number 5. Say 5. Let's trace it. Across, down, across, curve around, 5. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 floaties. Review time. Let's read our numbers together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing job! You learned how to read numbers. You learned how to write numbers. You learned how to count numbers. Give yourself a big clap.